Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to Herban Hustles. I'm glad that you guys were able to join me today. I'm so glad that you guys are definitely commenting, man. I really appreciate it. I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm so excited to bring you guys all this information. I'm definitely out there grinding, trying to make sure that you guys get all the information that you can use to help make you some money, save you some money, and spend money in the right way. Thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate it. It's such a blessing to me to have you guys watching my channel. And again, thank you guys for watching Herban Hustles.
Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Darius, aka Herban Hustles, back on here again. We want to go ahead and get into one of the apps that I wanted to show you guys today, which is called Instacart. Now, many people know about Instacart, I'm sure, because, of course, it's for people that don't have the time to do the shopping, but yet still need to get the shopping done. That allows them to go onto the app and be able to order the food that you would like from the grocery store or other places, and then allow someone to go out, do the shopping for you, and bring it back to you. So on this side, I'm going to show you guys the shopper side of the app, where you guys can make money. As you see in the upper left-hand corner, it shows the amount, where right now I'm just starting out, so it just says $0, as well as it has the little plus sign here that shows if you have any safety issues, you can report an incident, as well as they have a help center and request 911 services. Then in the right-hand corner, you see that they have the question mark, which is for questions and help that you may need. Then when you look at the map, it shows the local stores in your area that utilizes the Instacart algorithm, and you can go ahead and see if they have like a hot area or a hot zone where they have the most pickups or the most shopping opportunities. So then when you go down here where it says go online, that's where it allows you to go online and let the app know that you're available to shop and go ahead and make money. If I go down lower, it just simply says good morning Darius, which is my government name, of course. And let's go into the next part where it has the $sign. And this is earnings. So in earnings, it just shows the amount of earnings that I made. I don't do Instacart as much because I'm spending more time creating lovely content and videos for lovely people like you. And so this is what I made so far lately. And so it just shows the amounts and so forth. And as you see, in June of 2022, I made about $112. And it's really up to you. How much time you put into it is how much you get out of it. My wife, as well as myself, do it here and there. And I mean, it definitely helps out a lot as far as when it comes to you need money for bills or anything like that. It definitely helps out a whole lot. The next option is this right here where it shows our stats. It looks like a little bar. You have the bars for your cell phone. It looks the same way here. And this shows the stats. So it shows here my name, been doing Instacart since 2021, how many orders I completed. You get a rating, which here my rating is a cart star. Get different points. You earn points to get you into a higher level. And of course, it gives you more information on how it works if you decide to check that out. Shows the different perks and so forth. And so that just goes into that. And then it shows the compliments that people give. Just like some people said, very happy with the produce and the tostada chips were not broken. Excellent. So that's different things that people can say about you, different comments that people can make. The items that you found. So far, I found 427 items out of 499 items. Things that were dislike replacement. I have 0 dislike replacements. So that means the replacements, if they don't have something in the store, I can actually suggest an item for someone to pick out. And if they like it, then it goes under the likes and so forth. All right. Then we have here the little mail sign that just shows the inbox, different messages that Instagram would like to send you, and just let you know about different things that's going on with Instagram, depending on your state as well. And then lastly, we have the account information, which actually shows, your profile, payout accounts, Instacart payment card, and so forth. All the things you need to do are right here, your safety trainings, batch eligibility, and so forth. So in batch eligibility, you definitely want to go there. That helps you be able to do more things, such as deliver alcohol. You have to go through a certain type of certification in order to do that. So you have the alcohol delivery, cooler bag approval, bulky batch delivery, heavy batch delivery, and so forth. So this pretty much teaches you and runs a course and training on how you can obtain these different goals as far as being able to do more as well as make more money with the Instacart app. So far, when I've done Instacart, I would say it's been okay for me, just due to the fact that I don't like picking out produce and stuff. I wish I could just go grab an item with a barcode and scan it. But with the produce, you have to kind of go through it and check it and everything else. That's the part that I don't like. I really wish that I could just grab an item, scan it, and be done with it, as well as when it comes to looking for items. They've actually changed the app a lot where you don't have to go on this wild witch chase. It's actually now where they tell you in some stores where the aisle is, where you can find it. So that helps out a whole lot. I really enjoyed that. So let me show you guys real quick. When you go online, I press online, and then it said, we'll let you know if a batch pops up. And so you can go about your day, and then next thing you know, you'll get an alert letting you know that a batch popped up. Once a batch popped up, you'll accept that batch and go ahead and follow through on doing those different types of shops that they have for you. Let me go ahead and go offline real quick before they ask me to do something, because I'm not ready to go out. But yeah, so that's pretty much the app in a nutshell. Again, I think it's a great way to be able to make some money on the side, as well as if you're in between jobs or if you're a creator like myself. It's good to be able to do this to bring in the extra income to help out in the household. It's an enjoyable app to use. They pay pretty good, as well as I don't know about other states, but I know in California we have a law that makes it to where they have to meet a certain standard of pay. So you would at least get a minimum wage pay, even if the thing that you're doing is a lower amount. They would have to meet that minimum. So that's another thing, as well as they pay you for your gas per mile and so forth, as far as how far they have you go out. So I really like that about the app as well. It's something that I think a lot of people can really benefit from. One last thing I want to show you guys is there was a part here, I can't quite find it, but I will put it in the description, where you can actually invite others. And when you invite others, it's like a referral code. If there is a referral code still here, sometimes it comes and goes. They give it to you and they take it, they give it and they take it, just depending on need. So if I do find that referral code, I will be more than happy to put that down in the description. And this is the Instacart app. I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you so much for checking out my video.
I'm glad that you guys were able to join me, and thank you guys so much for commenting. It's very important that you guys are commenting. It lets me know that you guys appreciate my content, as I'm letting you know that I appreciate you watching my content. Please definitely tell your friends, tell your moms, tell your pops, tell everybody that you know to check out your boy Herban Hustles. And yo, while you at it, won't you check out this video or this video that's out here on Herban Hustles. Herban Hustles. Herban Hustles.